Hello there, welcome to our channel Log News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block someone on your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to block someone on our TikTok, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the content posted by the awesome people on the community of TikTok. Now to block someone on your TikTok account, you can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile button, and after that you can see your followers over here and your following over here. And now to block somebody, find the person whom you want to block. For me, it's in the he or she is on the follower. And after that, and this is the person whom I want to block. Similarly, go to the person's profile whom you want to block on TikTok, and after that you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the screen. When you go to a person's profile like this, tap over there, and over here you can see the block option of given at the third line of the options, just below the messenger. Tap on block like this and tap on block again, and you can see the blocked icon, which means that he's been blocked. And there guys, this is how you block someone on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.